all of you. Welcome to BMC online class. Myself, Mrs. Jyoti Mori from Dharavi TC Municipal English School number 2. Today I am going to teach you the subjects EVS 1. In that subject, we will learn the topic, the lesson number 3, the earth and its living world. Before starting our unit, let us see one good thought. Yes, children, who will read this thought?
Miss, can I?
Your your best
Your best teacher is your last mistake.
Very good. Your best teacher is your last mistake. Do you know the meaning of this thought, children?
Yes, Miss.
Yes. Anybody can tell in short? Okay, I will tell you. Your best teacher is your last mistakes means whenever we do any mistakes, next time our mistakes remind me not to do this again. Means we learn through our mistakes. Okay? Okay, children?
okay, teacher.
See, now before starting our lesson, I will ask you some questions. Now you will answer me simple questions. Okay? Where do we all live on?
We live on Earth.
We live on
Very,
Earth.
very good, very good. How many planets are there?
There are eight planets.
There are 8 planets. Do you know on what planet do we live on?
We live
Earth.
on Earth.
We live on Earth.
Very good. We live on
Earth.
Earth. Very good. See the picture of Earth. We live on the planet Earth. Now tell me, in this picture, what do you see?
In this picture,
Animals. Living
uh,
world.
there is a green tree.
Animals, cloud, fish, water.
Yes, very good. You can see in the center there is Earth, and all on Earth you can see animals, plants. Yes or no?
Yes,
These plants, animals, trees, what are these all? What we call them?
animals.
These plants and animals, what are these?
Living
Living.
world.
Very
Living
good.
being.
Very good. So today our topic is the earth and its living world. What is today's topic?
The
Read
earth
the name
and
of
its
the topic.
world.
The Earth and its living world.
The earth and its living world. In this topic, we will learn about the different spheres of the earth. Okay, landforms, surface water, groundwater. Okay, now answer me some questions. Okay, my first question is, where do you get water from?
We get water from river,
From
lake,
the well,
rainwater.
Very good.
pipes, river, lake.
Very good. We get water from river, pond, well, borewell. Okay, these are the sources of water. Yes or no?
Yes,
My next question is, where do we lay the foundation of building? Where
On,
we build
on,
building?
on an open
an
space.
open
Yeah, on an
space.
open space means on land we build the buildings. Okay. Next question. What need do we meet through breathing?
Air.
Air.
And
Very good. And from what we take inside from air?
What, Miss?
sand.
What we take inside while breathing? What we
Breathing.
yes?
Inspiration.
Yeah, while inspiration, we are inhaling and exhaling. What we inhale in our body? Oxygen or carbon dioxide?
Oxygen.
Very good. Okay. Very good. Yes. From where does the earth get light and heat?
Sun.
The earth gets light from sun.
Very good. The earth get light and heat from the sun. Very good, children. Now see, You can see the picture of the earth. So see this picture. You can see on the surface of the earth, we find land in some places and water in others. Yes, you can see this picture, children.
Yes, Miss.
See, this green portion indicates land, and this blue portion indicates what? Water.
Water.
Blue portion indicates water,
Water.
and this green portion indicates land.
Land.
The earth is surrounded by the atmosphere, means air. There is air around the earth. Okay. There are four spheres of the earth. How many spheres of the earth?
4.
Four. Read, anyone, please read this.
Lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, biosphere.
Very good. There are four spheres of the earth: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and the last one is
Biosphere.
very good, biosphere. See, there are three main constituent means main components of the earth that are air, water, and land. Which are the main components of the earth? Tell me.
Water. Atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere. Air, water,
Yes,
land.
air, water, and land are the main components of the earth.
Earth.
Okay. Air, water, and land constituent the main components of the earth, namely atmosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere. Air is related to atmosphere. Okay. Water indicates hydrosphere, and land is related to lithosphere. Okay. And the biosphere is spread in all the other three spheres. Okay. We find biosphere in all these three spheres, means atmosphere also, hydrospheres also, and lithosphere also. Okay, children?
Okay, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Yes. Now see here. You can see living things in water also, air also, and on land also. Okay. You can see this picture. There are fishes in water. You can see there deer on the land. You can see birds in the air. Yes or no?
Yes, Miss.
Yes. See, this water is related to hydrosphere. Air is related to
Atmosphere.
what?
Atmosphere.
Very good. And yes, and land is related to
Lithosphere.
lithosphere. Very good, children. See, there are living things on land, in water, and in the air. Means we find living things on land also, in water also, and in the air also. Okay. And the biosphere means what? The part of the Earth's surface and atmosphere in which plants and animals can live. Biosphere is that part of the Earth where plants, animals can live there. Okay. And the biosphere is spreaded in all these three spheres, means hydrosphere also, atmosphere also, and
Lithosphere.
lithosphere also. Okay.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
See, now today we are going to learn about the lithosphere and the hydrosphere in detail. Okay. See, lithosphere is the outer covering of the earth. Okay.
Yes.
The features of the lithosphere. Anybody please read this features of
Miss,
the lithosphere.
Of liters, the
Teacher,
earth
lithosphere. The Earth's crust is hard. Earth crust means outer covering or outer part of Earth. It is made up of soil and rock.
soil and rocks.
Very good. The earth crust means what? Outer covering of the earth is called crust. What? Outer covering of the earth is called crust. Okay. Earth crust means outer covering of the or outer part of the earth. And it is made up of soil and rock. Soil and rocks. This outer covering of the earth is made up of what? Soil and rocks. Okay, children. See the next. lithosphere can be seen in different forms. See, lithosphere is can be seen in different forms. See this in this picture. Here you can see grassy expanses. Yes or no? Can you see this
Yes.
slide, children?
Yes.
Here you can see this grassy expanses. Means there is a grass all over there. Okay. In next, barren sand. See, here is whole area. You can see there is a barren sand. Means it is desert. Okay. Filled with crops. Filled with crops. It is also come under lithosphere. What? Lithosphere.
Lithosphere.
Next is forest. Forest is also comes under lithosphere. And the last is mountains. Okay. Means lithosphere can be seen in different forms. That is grassy expanses, barren sand, filled with crops, forest, and mountains. Got it, these children?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, miss.
Different forms of lithosphere. See, much of the Earth's surface is occupied by water. The lithosphere extends under this water too. Means there is water on the Earth. Okay. There is most of the Earth's surface is occupied by water. Okay. And we find lithosphere under this water too. Okay. We can see living things underwater also. Yes or no, children?
Yes,
teacher.
Yes, there is living world under the water also. There are different plants, small animals lives underwater too. Yes or no, children?
Yes, miss.
teacher.
You can see in this picture there is a 2/3 part of the earth is occupied by what? This
Water.
water. This blue color indicates water. And see there, 1/3 of the total earth surface is occupied by land. There is much water and less land on the earth. See, 1/3 part means 30% of the earth's surface is covered with what? Lithosphere. What? Land means what? Lithosphere. Okay, children? And 2/3 means 70% of the earth's surface is covered with hydrosphere. See, this is hydrosphere and this is lithosphere. Okay? Means 1/3 part is of land and 2/3 part is of water.
Water.
Okay? Yes, anybody read this?
Miss, can I?
Yes.
A vast continuous stretch of land is called a continent.
Land of
Land on Earth is
the
divided.
land of Earth is divided into 7 continents.
Yes, very good. A vast continuous stretch of land is called a continent. Means there is water and land on the earth. Okay. And where there is a vast continuous stretch means where there is a the land is spreaded, there we call it as a continent. And the land on the earth is divided into how many continents?
Seven
There are
continents.
Yes. There are total how many continents?
7 continents.
Yes, very good. Now see, there are 7 continents. See, you can see here now 7 continents are given. Yes, 7 continents. Read one by one. Read this.
Miss, can I?
Yes.
Asia, Europe, Africa, North America,
South Africa,
Antarctica, Australia. Asia is the
Very good.
largest continent.
largest continent, and the Australia is the smallest.
Very good. There are 7 continents on the earth. Asia first, second is Europe, third is Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia. See, you can see here. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Yes, Asia is the largest continent. Asia is the largest continent among the 7 continents, and Australia is the smallest. Okay. Which is
continent.
the largest continent
Asia.
and which is the smallest one?
Australia.
Very good. And our India comes under which continent? Our India comes under which continent, children?
Asia.
Asia. Very good. Our India comes under which continent?
Asia.
Asia. Okay. See
Yes.
here. You can see here. This is in this. Okay. You can see this point.
Yes,
I am
teacher.
pointing. There is India. Okay. Okay,
Okay.
children. See the next slide. See here. You can see various landforms. Okay.
Yes.
When we travel in hilly regions, we see layers of soil and rock along the road cuts. We see grassy expanses of land in some places and only sand in others. The land is covered with crops in some places and with forest in others. Okay. See here in this slide, you can see there various landforms. Can you see it? Can you see the names?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Tell me what landforms you see here?
She teach valley,
Yes.
river,
Yes.
inlet,
Yes.
plain, hill,
Good.
valley, mountain, pass, seashore.
Yes. Very good. See, there are various landforms you can see in this slide. Mountains, pass, valley, hill, hillock, plain, river, island, valley, plateau, and seashore. These are the various landforms. Okay. The land is not even in all places. Can you see the land is same at all places in this slide?
No.
No. There is a unevenness, means it is not same at all places. Okay. Because of this unevenness, various shapes we find of land. Okay. See, now various landforms. First, we will see the meaning of landform. Okay. Landform means the unevenness of land gives different shapes to the land. Okay. The unevenness of land gives different shapes to the land. Somewhere is plain, somewhere is plateau, somewhere we can find mountain, somewhere we find river, somewhere we find valley. This unevenness gives different shapes to the land. So these different shapes of land is called what? Landforms. Different shapes of land is called, children, what we call them?
Platforms.
Landforms. Okay. Now here some names of landforms given. Read one by one.
Mountain, desert, valley, plain. Teacher, what is this?
Plateau.
Plateau.
And last one is coast. What is that? Coast. See a mountain. So see a mountains you can see valley, hill, river, plain, plateau. Okay, these are the various landforms. What we call them? Landforms.
Landform.
Landform.
What we call them? Land.
Landform.
Landform.
Okay. See, once we will repeat this. See, landforms are various landforms are mountain,
Yes.
desert, valley, plain, plateau, coast. See, two-third of the Earth's surface is one-third of the Earth's surface is consist of a land. Okay, we have seen in the before slides. Okay, and the land along the margins of the ocean is called the coastal region. Coast means what? The land which is covered with the water around the ocean, margins of the ocean is called coast. Okay, see, this is what.
Hydrosphere.
Very good. Read the this
Water
slide.
The water horizon.
and occupies the earth's surface. Groundwater on the water vapor in the atmosphere together from the earth.
From the Earth's hydrosphere.
Hydrosphere.
See here the water or ice that occupies the Earth's surface, groundwater and the water vapor in the atmosphere together forms hydrosphere. What comes under hydrosphere? See, in hydrosphere, ocean water comes. See, then ice, okay, and the water vapor present in the atmosphere. This all comes under what? Together forms what? Hydrosphere. What together forms it?
Hydrosphere.
Hydrosphere. Okay. We have seen before that two-thirds of the Earth's surface is covered with what? Air or land? Water or land?
Water.
Water. Very good. Two-third of the Earth's surface is covered with the water. We
Hydrosphere.
have seen before. Okay. So most of this water is in the ocean. Most of the water is in the ocean. We have seen that, no? Many of the water comes under the ocean. And how is the water of the ocean? Is it salty or what?
Salty.
Yes. Ocean water is salty.
Salty.
Okay. We can drink ocean water.
No.
No, it is how it is. It is salty. We cannot drink the ocean water. Yes, children. See, this ocean water is very salty. Okay. And this now see different in this slide you can see how many oceans are given. Count the oceans. How many oceans you can see here?
6.
There are five oceans only. This you can see here from here to
Teacher,
here.
there
The
are five
Pacific
oceans.
is there. Okay. Okay. See
Yes.
here. Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Pacific Ocean. Okay. These are the five oceans. How many oceans are there? Five.
Oceans.
The land along the margins of the land along the margins of this ocean. See, you can see this margin of the ocean. I am pointing in the slide. Okay, this is called coastal region. What this is called?
Coastal region.
Coastal region. Very good. This is called the margin of the ocean is called coastal region. Okay, this portion is called coastal region.
Coastal region.
And there are also various water bodies form along the this margin of the ocean region. That are sea, bay, strait, gulf, and creek. These are the water bodies. These are what? Water. And
Teacher.
these all are part of the ocean.
Teacher.
See. Yes, yes, children.
Teacher, I have
Yes.
prepared a song on the ocean. Can I tell?
Yes, yes, yes. Of course, you can sing.
Turkish Ocean, Arctic
Yes,
Ocean,
children.
Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean. There are five oceans. Ocean are the largest body of the water. Pacific is the largest ocean in the world. Ocean are the largest body of the world. Pacific is the largest ocean in the world. Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean. There are five oceans. Thank you.
Very good, very good. You are actor or you are getting poems on the oceans also. Very good.
Teacher, my teacher had given because to remember.
Yes, very good. You can remember the oceans because
Yes.
of the song immediately. Okay, very good, children. See, now we will learn about the surface water. Okay, the water flows on the land. Okay, the water flows on the land is called what? Surface water. What we call them? Surface water. Okay, read this. Anybody read this?
Stream of water that following over the land
Flowing.
is called the surface water. Hill, brooks, river, lakes.
Very good. The stream of water that flowing over the land is called the surface water. What we call them? Surface water. Okay. And in what are the examples of surface water? Rills. brooks, rivers, and lakes. Okay. See here in this slide, you can see reels are the smallest and the rivers are the biggest. Okay. Reels, brooks, streams join each other to form river. Okay.
Yes.
Reels, what are the reels? Reels is the small flow of water. These reels, brooks, and streams are the small flowing water. Small flow of water is called the reels. Okay, the reels, brooks, and streams are the small flow of water. They together, while flowing, they together meet and they form a river. What they form together? River. Okay.
River.
Okay. Rivers which join to make a bigger river are called its tributaries. Means many rivers comes together and they form a big river. Okay. Many rivers come together and they form a big river. Okay. And what the rivers who comes to make a big river, that rivers are called its tributaries. What we call them?
Tribu-
Tributaries. Okay. Read this.
Reels are the smallest and rivers the biggest. Reels, brooks, streams join each other to form rivers. Rivers which join to make a bigger river are called its tributaries.
Tributaries. Very good. The
Tribu-
rivers we join to make bigger river, they are called its tributaries. Okay. So surface water, in surface water, we have seen that rivers, brooks, reels, and lakes. This all together flows on the land. So they comes under surface water. Okay, they comes under surface
Surface
water.
water.
Okay, there are many streams of water flowing over the land. Okay, you can see there lakes, pond, river, reels, brooks. They flows on the water. They are not under the water. They are under the land. These rivers, brooks, and lakes, they are under the land. No, na children. They flows on the land only. Okay, this water is salty in taste or fresh. How is the taste of the water of the river?
Sea.
Children, tell me. It is fresh, no? It is not salty. Yes or no? We
Yes.
drink the water of the river, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So the water that flows over the land, that is the reels, brooks, rivers, lakes are the examples of the surface water. This water is not salty but fresh. It is fresh. We use them to we use this water for drinking purpose also. Okay. These streams of water may be reels, brooks, streams, or rivers. Reels are the smallest. Reels are the smallest one, and rivers are the biggest. Okay.
Okay.
Now see lakes. Lakes means see a river cascades down a sudden drop. This form a waterfall. See in this picture you can see waterfall. Do you like waterfall, children?
Yes, teacher.
Have you visited any waterfall? Have
Yes.
you? Yes. You like to go to the place where there is a waterfall.
Yes.
Yes. You go for trips also, no there. So
Yes.
see, waterfall is the sudden drop of the water. Okay. You can see waterfall in this picture. Okay. This waterfall. Yes. Tell me which waterfall have you visited? Yes. Anybody?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. How is your experience by going there? How you feel?
Teacher, I am feel very happy.
Happy, na? You enjoy? You
Yes,
enjoyed there,
teacher.
no? Yes.
Yes.
So we see in the mountains, we can see while traveling also from mountains there are waterfalls are going down. Yes or no? Yes, children.
Yes, teacher.
During rainy season, we see many water from the mountains. Yes. In
Yes.
that during rainy season, if you visit to your village while traveling, you can see from the mountains there are many waterfalls are flowing down. Yes or no, children?
Yes.
Lakes is also come under surface water. Lakes is what the naturally lakes are naturally formed. Yes or no? A water body formed by water collecting naturally in low-lying area of a land is called a lake. Lake is a natural one. Okay, this is not man-made. Okay, lakes are formed naturally. These reeds, rivers, these all are the natural ones. Okay. So what we have studied? Yes, children.
The earth crust and small hard portion of the layer under it is called the lithosphere.
Yes.
About 1/3 of the Earth's surface is occupied by the land, while about 2/3 is covered with water. Surface water, ice on the land, groundwater, and the water vapor present in the air together form the hydrosphere.
Hydrosphere. Very good. Very good. Thank you. We have what we have studied now about the lithosphere and hydrosphere. We have studied that Earth crust means outer covering of the Earth is hard, and this portion of the outer covering of the Earth is made up of rocks and soil. This is called this outer covering of the Earth is called what? Lithosphere. Okay, and it is very hard and it is made up of rocks and soils. And we have studied that about 1/3 of the Earth's surface is occupied by land and 2/3 is covered with water. We find biosphere in water, air, and on land also. Okay, children. And we have studied that surface water. The surface water is that the water flowing on the land is called water flowing over the land is called surface water. And in surface water, what comes? Ice, uh, surface water, ice on the land, groundwater, and the water vapor present in the air together form the hydrosphere. Means together it forms hydrosphere. Okay, surface water, ice, groundwater, and water vapor present in the air together forms the hydrosphere. Okay, this much today we have learned. Now I'm going to evaluate you. How much you have understood. Now tell me, my first question is how many continents are there?
There are 7 continents.
Very good. There are 7 continents. Now tell me my second question is name any 2 oceans.
Arctic Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
Very good. Very good. There are total 5 oceans. From there you have given 2 names. Very good. How much portion of the earth is occupied by water?
70.
How much portion of the earth is occupied by water? 1/3 or 2/3?
2/3.
Very good. Out of the total portion, 2/3 of the portion of the earth is covered with or occupied with water. Okay. Very good. Name me the spheres of the earth. Name the spheres of the earth. Yes, now we have seen no the 4 spheres of the earth. Tell me the names of the spheres of the earth.
Lithosphere,
Yes.
hydrosphere,
Yes, very good.
and
Atmosphere.
teacher, lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, biosphere.
Very good. There are these 4 spheres of the earth. The first we today we have learned about lithosphere and hydrosphere. Okay, and the
Yes.
other 2 are biosphere and atmosphere. Okay. Now tell me the names of any 4 continents.
Asia, Europe, Africa, North Africa.
No, yes. See, Asia, Australia, South America, North America, Europe. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. What is surface water? Surface water. What?
Surface water, stream of water that flowing over the land is called the surface water. Example, rills, brooks, rivers, lakes.
Very good. The water that is flowing over the land. Very many streams of water that flows over the land, and that is called as the surface water. What we call them? Surface water. Okay. Yes. We have seen that what there are four spheres of the earth, that is atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere. And these four spheres we have seen on the earth. Okay. And out of that, we have seen that today we have learned about lithosphere and hydrosphere. Okay, lithosphere and hydrosphere. What is lithosphere? Tell me.
The earth crust and the small hard portion of the layer under it's called the atmosphere.
Very good. The outer covering of the earth's surface is called as a lithosphere. Okay. And what are the different landforms? Tell me. We have studied landforms today. Yes or no? Tell
Yes.
me. Yes. Tell me.
And mountain, desert, valley, plain, plateau, coast.
Very good. We have seen different landforms that are mountains, hills, valley, river, plain, plateau, plain, island. These all are the different landforms. Okay. Why these landforms we have seen on the land? Because the earth, the land is same in all places. Yes, children, the land is same in all places, isn't it? No. No, the land is not even, means not same in all places. Because of this unevenness, the land gets different shapes. Okay, and so we find landforms in different places. Okay, and we have seen that 1/3 of the land of the surface of the land is of the earth is covered with land, and 2/3 portion of the earth surface is covered with water. We have seen there. Okay. See, we have seen these different landforms here. Okay. See these mountains. As we travel in hilly regions, what we see there, various layers of the rock along the road cuts. Okay. And somewhere we find the grassy expanses. Okay. So this unevenness gives different shapes to the land. So these landforms, due to these different landforms, forms. Okay. And see here, out of this, we have seen that mountains. See mountain, these mountains are, we have seen in this slide. See, here are the mountains. Here is the valley. Okay, plain. Plain means there is a plain land. Okay, we don't find there up and down. Okay, in the land. Okay, so we have learned that today about the different spheres of the earth, that is lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and which is remaining atmosphere. Okay, the air is related with the what? Atmosphere or hydrosphere?
Atmosphere.
Very good. And water is related to?
Water is related to
Is it lithosphere or hydrosphere? Water comes under which? Hydrosphere or lithosphere?
what? Hydrosphere.
Very good. And land comes under what?
Lithosphere.
Very good. Yes. These are the main components: water, air, and land. Okay. Water is related to hydrosphere. Air is related to atmosphere. And land is related to lithosphere. And the remaining one, which I'm going to tell you, that biosphere. We find biosphere. Biosphere includes all the living world. Okay. Plants, animals. Okay. This all comes under biosphere. And we find biosphere in all the remaining four. Okay, three spheres, that is air, water, and land. That is atmosphere, lithosphere, and hydrosphere. Okay, children.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Name me all the seven continents once again. Seven continents. Do you want to see again the slide? of 7 continents?
Teacher, I have learned this sentence.
See. Yes.
Asia, Europe, Africa, North Africa, South Africa,
North America, South America.
sorry, North America,
It's
South America, and
Antarctica.
Antarctica.
Antarctica, and the last one is Australia. Which is the
Australia.
largest? Asia. Asia is the largest continent, and Australia is the
Smallest continent.
Very good, children. Yes, this is our today's homework. Take a screenshot of this homework and write in your notebook. Complete it. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
I want to listen the ocean song again. Please.
Okay, teacher.
Yes.
Back.
Start.
Hello, everyone. My name is Ruchi Jason. I'm come from 5th C. Today, I'm going to sing a song on ocean. Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, India Ocean, Southern Ocean. There are 5 oceans. Ocean and the largest body of the water. Pacific is the largest ocean in the world. Ocean are the largest body of the world. Pacific is the largest ocean in the world. Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, India Ocean, Southern Ocean. There are 5 oceans. Thank you.
Very good. Very good. I like the song very much. Okay. Have you taken a screenshot of this homework, children?
Teacher.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Complete the homework. Okay. Thank you, children, for your support. Thank you for cooperating me. Yes. Thank you, all of you.